Friday morning, everyone. We are tracking, of course, this winter storm. Very hazardous conditions this morning from the wind, the cold, and, of course, the snow-covered roadways. Looking at Elida Road and Cable Road. The bigger issue here is that we had all that rain yesterday evening, and the temperatures dropped so quickly. This is truly what a flash freeze looks like. That moisture froze, and we are looking at an icy layer on these roadways this morning. So, again, you have some of that snow around, and then you have, of course, that icy layer, and it's going to be hard to get rid of that with the temperatures that are just so extremely cold with this bitterly cold Arctic air mass. The snow is decreasing. You know, we talked the last couple of days that the snow would start to ease up in intensity and begin to move out by sunrise this morning. And that continues to be the case here. You can see the snow has been decreasing from south to north over the last couple of hours. But boy, for a time overnight, we had near blizzard conditions. It was certainly very rough to be out and about. You can see this system as it's lifting into the northeast here, upstate New York, into portions of Ontario, eventually Quebec. It's really strengthening. In fact, this is likely going to be what signifies, or classifies, I should say, as a bomb cyclone, which means the pressure is dropping so quickly in a short duration. So if your body is reactive to pressure changes, arthritis and things like that, your joints, you probably can feel that here with the extremes in pressure this morning. And we actually have a near record high pressure moving in from the northern plain states. So again, the pressure is just out of whack, and that's what's driving this strong wind. And that wind will continue to be with us the next couple of days. Again, this is really, I think, the most extreme winter weather map I have ever seen across the country. You can see blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings. And then you look all the way to the Gulf Coast, well into Florida. We have hard freeze warnings. The wind chill warnings are widespread. So, again, just a wild map this morning. We've had several inches of snow down in central Tennessee, snow all the way down in Dollywood this morning, and flurries as far south as south parts of Alabama with this system. So, again, it is impressive winter blast to start the winter season. Temperatures feel like minus 32 degrees this morning for us in Lima and Wapakoneta, minus 34, the wind chill in Sydney and Bellefontaine. With an actual temperature, even the actual numbers are below zero, and many spots will struggle to even make it to zero today. So those temperatures will hold fairly steady. Again, looking at those feels-like temperatures as we go throughout the nation, it's, again, widespread negative 20s and 30s. And as we go throughout the day, we stay near that negative 30 threshold. And you can see all across the nation's central and eastern sections, it's just bitterly cold. And as we head into the weekend on Saturday, maybe a little better, but negative 11 by tomorrow afternoon, and that's about the best we can do over the next couple of days. So again, that system lifting into Canada, you can see all those pressure lines. Again, that is what's driving this very strong wind, with the blowing snow a big concern. So the falling snow is more going to be just flurries the next couple of days. But the blowing snow is going to continue to cause some hazardous travel on those roadways. So the wind gusts today will go as high as 50 miles per hour off and on. And they don't get much better tonight, slackening down only slightly. And as we make our way into Saturday, still gusting near 45 miles per hour. So the data shows by tomorrow after sunset, we'll finally start to see the winds notably start to decrease, but it's still going to be breezy even as we head into Christmas Day. So, again, looking at the temperatures and the wind chill today, you're going to see wind chills around that minus 30-degree threshold. With the actual numbers here, look at this. From all throughout the day, many points will be below 0 degrees. So, again, it's going to be a very cold start to the weekend here. In fact, even through Christmas Day, it's going to be tough to get out and about because those temperatures will be only in the low teens for highs, and the least will have some sunshine by Christmas Day, and the winds will be a little better. So maybe we can finally get out there. Maybe the kids can get out on Christmas Day as long as they bundle up, maybe do a little bit of sledding. Not the best snowman making snow, but boy, what a change next week. I mean, next Friday, 52 degrees. So I think we can get through this knowing that there is hope. It looks like the start of the new year is going to be way above normal temperatures. So
isn't that something else? Light at the end of that tunnel,
one extreme
isn't it?
to the next.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Nathan.